after this, but please press the red subscribe button for more highlights and stuff. Please, thank you.
O'Reilly and McKinnon head-to-head. On tape, stolen away. Perron in the backhand, he scores! It's David Perron, and for the fourth straight game, the Blues score first.
Oh, great play down low by O'Reilly.
Looking to get away from Tarasenko. Byram will wait behind the net while Colorado finish their changes. Deacon Skaten came out quickly. Liano, right side. There's a shot, big rebound off the pad of Husso. And try for Logan O'Connor.
That's a smart shot by O'Connor. You could tell he had Cogliano driving that middle lane, just shooting for a rebound.
Here's Kyrou picking up speed. Kyrou dishes into the skates of Thomas. Taves on the back pass for Cale Makar. 10 points in round one for Cale Makar. Nothing in the first two games. Did pick up an assist in game three. Taves wraps it around for Darren Helm. Got through him. And Perunovic moves across for Parayko. No icing.
Gorgeous opportunity. Scores! Erik Johnson ties the game just like that.
Lewis last year and did have a goal in that series. Gets a great chance, and this was a face-off that was lost. It was a winger wing for the Colorado Avalanche to be able to come. He scores a huge goal in the first period to tie it 1-1. Newhook with an assist on
Here
that.
Here comes Kadri, and he scores! Season last game, and now here in game 4.
And, you know, didn't try and force this over to Rantanen, and that's the most important thing. And he never looked. He just went right up.
Landeskog stealing the puck. Taves shoots and scores! The Avalanche.
Because this is a team that's just feeling it right now. They scored that first one, the second one right after, and now a third one just because of the work, and it's Taves. He just pounces on this puck, high in the slot, gets it there.
Makar, Husso shut the door. Byram and Makar, here's another shot. Byram has it off the rebound. The pass to Kadri, and he shoots, and he scores. Kadri's second in the game, third goal in 2 games, makes it 4-1.
That poise to make the play. First chance by Byram right there, good save, recovery, and then eventually it'll come to him. The first rebound right to him, he waits, onto the tape of Kadri, back door. David Perron with a flyby there.
Riley's fed it in front for Shen, and Kemper made the stop in tight. Perron to Shen, centering feed, Perunovic to Perron, open net, they score! David Perron, he's got them both for the Blues.
Every game that he's played in, and he's at the top left of your screen, number 48. And once his puck comes back to him, he ends up making a pass there.
And then Falk inside 30 seconds to go on the power play. Buchnevich drives, kicks it, shot by side, goes in! 2 power play goals for the Blues, and it's back to a 1-goal game.
Around in the weeds, right in the blue paint. Second power play unit on the ice. And you can see the diamond formation there of the Colorado Avalanche. A little bit of room down low. I thought Buchnevich, Shane was going to jam it, but he doesn't. He makes the pass to Saul.
Over to Falk. Heavy forecheck here. Shot from Kadri, and it's a hat trick for Naughton.
Now Thomas in front, swing and a miss from O'Reilly. It'll travel all the way down the ice. This was a pass by the Blues, so there's no icing, and we're into the final 10. The Colorado Avalanche and Nazem Kadri ahead for Rantanen. Rantanen will put it into the net.